Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today what I want to cover is the levels inside the SolidCAM. Kind of covering the tool start levels, clearance levels, part upper level, lower level, and tool Z level for you guys. And what the tools are doing in those points. So I got a little screenshot here for you guys, kind of showing you guys what is actually happening. So what's going to go on here is the tool is going to rapid from the tool start level all the way down to the clearance level. And then once the tool hits that clearance level, it's going to go into the feed mode, and the feed mode from the clearance down to the part level. So we got our tool start level here, and our clearance level. So basically what's going to happen is that tool is going to rapid down to 0.4 inches above the part. Once it hits that 0.4, then it's going to go into a G01 movement and go up to the upper level. Now, we all kind of understand the upper level and the lower level part, but what does the tool Z level do? Well, what that tool Z level is set up for is when you guys are running in a fourth axis. So what's going to happen is that tool is going to go up 2 inches from the clearance level, and it's going to go up that 2 inches and then rotate that indexer around for clearance. So you guys can make that number as large as you would like. But like I said, so it's basically just going from the tool Z level up into the up in the air, and then to make clearance for the rotary. And like I said, this one is only affected right here by if you guys are using a fourth axis. So just kind of want to show you guys that for the tip of the day today, and kind of what there's a lot of confusion that comes up every once in a while with the tool start levels and clearance levels and what it's doing in there. So hopefully this will help you guys out, and we will talk to you guys not tomorrow because we have 4th of July, but Thursday with you guys next tip of the day. Thanks guys. Have a great holiday weekend. Bye-bye.